took a breath test, you blew a 0. You thought you were going to be released by the officer. Now you find out you're being charged with OUI drugs. I'm Michael DelSignore, a Massachusetts OUI lawyer. In this video, I'm going to explain to you 4 reasons why an OUI drugs charge is difficult to prove in court. First thing you need to know is OUI drug charges are very defensible in court, and there's basically 3 reasons for that. The first reason is many officers don't have training as a drug recognition expert. This is the so-called advanced training that some officers train their police officers in to determine whether someone's impaired by drugs. In many cases, a DRE will not be called, or the officer who arrested you will not have those special qualifications. The Commonwealth needs an expert to testify what drug you were under the influence of, whether it impacted your ability to drive, whether it was in your system at the time of operation. In other words, the impact of a particular drug on your ability to drive is not common knowledge. So in many cases, the government's going to need expert testimony to tie in the drug they claim you were under the influence of to what impact it would have on your ability to drive and whether it would have been in your system at all at the time you were stopped. Third reason why these cases are defensible, they need to prove which drug you were under the influence of. So it's not enough for the government to say this person was under the influence of some unknown drug. They need to specify with particularity what particular drug you were under the influence of to prove the case in court. Fourth reason, government often relies on field sobriety tests. These tests were designed to detect impairment by alcohol, not drugs. So they're using tests that really don't correlate to someone being under the influence of drugs. If in your case a DRE was called, there are many ways to attack the scientific reliability of that opinion, the officer's qualifications to render an opinion that you were impaired by drugs. If you're charged with OUI drugs, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. I answer this question every day. I'd be happy to explain to you how an OUI drugs charge is proven in court.